How to use Zeely AI app for beginners. Now in this very quick video, I'm just going to provide you general information and setting up on starting to use Zeely application. Now, you're going to make sure that you're going to be downloading the correct application that you will get on Google Play Store or any app store available on your end. So this is going to be the correct app, which is Zeely AI Marketing Platform. Now, before we start, Zeely is actually a powered marketing and ad creation platform designed for small business dropshippers and e-commerce entrepreneurs. The very first glance to pull up the application, make sure to input your working email address. Tap on continue, and then Zeely AI is going to be asking on what is the purpose on using your end for this application. So say for example, your main goal is for launching ads, simply hit on continue. And what do you sell for products or services or for both? And how do you operate by online, offline, or in person or both? And then in here, you can simply choose one specific industry you're going to be using Zealing AI as your partner. So for example, for art, and then you're going to have to select your business listed platform like Instagram, Facebook, or so on and so forth. So say for example on Instagram, hit on continue. Now there's going to be a lot of prompts that you need to follow first for you to be able to get redirected to the home screen and start using your prompts. And that's it. Those are the things that you can go ahead and do for you to be able to use the Zeely AI app for beginners.